Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's KBB Alpha here once again. Today we have another video of a similar type of product that I recently reviewed. And now this is another monitor light setup here. Now this one is from the company Osonom. And so I found this on Amazon yet again for around $30. It did have a 10% discount, so I did get it a little less than 30, but with taxes, it amounted to almost $30. So let's go ahead and open up this product. Alright, so that was pretty much it. That was inside the box. Here we do have its cable right here. And interesting. It's a USB Type-C. Huh. That is pretty cool there. And here we just have the brief little instruction manual on how to use this. And here we have the item itself. See the LEDs right there. Now the reason why I decided to try out another one of these monitor lamps is because I noticed that I did need another lamp for my monitor. I actually used the first one that I reviewed for my main rig. However, I didn't really like the look of it. So I moved it over here to my monitor I'm using for my creation station. So now this one is going to go on my main rig. And what I like about this one is that it does not have it's not activated by a spring. It just sits on top of your monitor like that. And then you would take the back portion and just kind of clip it like that on your monitor. And it sits like that. So there's no springs, no nothing on this. And this is also adjustable. This is a better angle. So you can go ahead and adjust it up and then down like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it looks like with it on. Alright everybody, so as you can see, that is how it's sitting on the back of the monitor. Now it just kind of holds it in place by keeping a firm grip there from behind, and the other portion is just sitting on top of the monitor like that. Alright everybody, so as you can see, I have it all set up on top of my TV that I'm using as a monitor right now. And the on-off switch it's more of a touch-sensitive switch here. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so here we have the white light. And then right next to it, you can go ahead and change the light settings. This is the amber. And this one is the mix of amber and white. So I'll go ahead and turn off the lights here and see how this looks like in the dark. Alright everybody, so I turned off all the lights here. Let's go ahead and see if it'll auto adjust. Just go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so that is the amber and white. Now we're back to the regular white light. We're back to amber. And now we're back to the mix of amber and white. So a couple things that I really liked about this particular monitor light was that it was not spring operated. Now, spring operated doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad product. The previous one I reviewed was spring operated. However, it came to my attention from one of my YouTube viewers that it did not fit his monitor because the maximum length of the spring was around 1 1/4 of an inch. Now his monitor width was 1 3/4 of an inch. So it was not able to fit his monitor. And so because this one is not spring operated, it will have a wider range of monitors to fit, as essentially it just sits on top of your monitor right here, and the backing just kind of clips down to whatever width or whatever size, of your monitor is on the back there. So this one does have a wider range of monitors it could potentially fit on, a wider range of monitors that it could potentially fit, as opposed to the previous one I reviewed, which was spring operated. Now, another thing about this particular monitor light that I really liked as well is that you can go ahead and not only adjust the back here, you can also adjust the angle of the light. So as you can see, you can bring it from its original position like this and bring it up. So if you require more light to be shown wherever you're working, you do have the option of tilting it so that the light can go ahead and disperse farther. Alright everybody, so that pretty much wraps up my unboxing and review of this monitor light from Osonom. Now if you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video.